Imagine reading books. Books are boring, super boring. And if studying is boring, it doesn't help studying. Average students that think books are boring. And when a person reads its book too long, it could damage its eyes. So book lovers wear glasses. But if we think of TV shows, it ends faster than books, at least not replaying it. For now, I will tell reasons why watching TV show is better to support my opinion. First of all, people buy books paying money. Watching TV show is free, literally free, but book costs money. Even do people borrow from the library. We can only borrow 5 books and need to return in the right day. But people can watch TV shows again and again without paying. In addition, reading books cause damage. Eye damage and paper cut. Watching TV show is just sitting in the sofa and watch. But people have to flip to read. This can cause paper cuts. And for eye damage, as for reading small letters, TV subtitles are big, but books aren't. Plus, people read books close than televisions. This is my personal story. Once time, I watched the movie Harry Potter. Before I watched the movie Harry Potter, I tried reading reading the book, but it was so boring. I couldn't read it all. But after watching the movie, I had fun reading the book. In conclusion, watching television show is better than reading books. Thank you for listening to my presentation.